Guys, and welcome back. Sometimes we run out of ideas, don't we? Well, tonight it's just me and my wife for dinner. How romantic. But it's difficult to think of something to do, so I think tonight I'm going to make a very quick and easy puff pastry dish, a meal for two people, just right when you haven't got much time. I think I'll call it puff pastry pizza. That sounds good. Now we're going to need some tomato puree, some nice green cheese, some strong cheese, a couple of mushrooms, some strong cheddar cheese. Of course we're going to need some puff pastry, and I'm going to use some salami. And I'm going to use some of these dried tomatoes. I've dried these in my oven with a little bit of salt, and they'll give it a very intense flavour. Now I'm going to need a baking tray with some aluminium foil. I'm going to use 2 sheets, one to keep the baking tray clean because it's a new one, and the other one to sort of make like a little sort of a dish, because I'm just going to make this meal for 2 people, so I don't want to make too much. And I'm going to squish this up a bit to make like a little lip around the edge to keep the pastry in. Add some oil spray so that the pastry doesn't stick. Now on with the pastry. And then I'm going to sort of crimp it up a little bit around the edge to sort of make like a little container. I just want to make this this little container not too big, because after all it's a meal for 2 people. It's just for me and my wife, this one. Now to assemble the dish, I start with some tomato puree in the base, and then give this a little bit of a rub round with the back of a spoon, just to even it out a little bit. Then on with some grated cheddar cheese, followed by my sun-dried tomatoes, well, sun-dried in the oven anyway. And then the mushrooms, which I've sliced. Then some more cheddar cheese. Then the salami that you can see I've cut into quite small sections. We spread this all over the top. A bit more cheese. Now it's time for the strong stuff, this green cheese. This is a favourite of mine, it's Stilton. Then into the oven, gas mark 7, for about 15 or 20 minutes. And there you have it, guys, a very quick and easy midweek meal for 2. Please make it for yourself and enjoy. Well, thank you so much for watching this latest video of mine. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and give me a thumbs up, that would be great. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.